Lauren Stanford is a busy 13-year-old.
These ones are for like swim team. We won the soccer championships. That one, I think I got for high honors.
And she's got another major project, keeping herself alive.
So this is it, huh?
Yeah.
Lauren has type 1 or juvenile diabetes.
Oh, you're hiding.
She's had it since she was in kindergarten.
Oh, yeah, there you are.
As soon as you change, you have to check your blood. Now.
But many scientists say that hope may be on the horizon.
I do think we can cure it. And our research has convinced me that that is going to be possible. Everything we learn says that it is possible.
Doug Melton has spent the last 7 years searching for a cure for diabetes. His work is personal. Both his children suffer from the disease. Today, he's optimistic about their future, thanks to a hot new field in medical research, which we've all heard about: embryonic stem cells. These are cells that have the potential to become nerve cells, heart cells, blood cells, any kind of cell in the human body. Melton, now co-director of the new Harvard Stem Cell Institute, wants to turn them into insulin-producing cells so they can help diabetics. The potential benefits are obvious to doctors like Leonard Zahn, who sees a lot of patients needing bone marrow transplants. For 2/3 of them, there's no donor with an acceptable genetic match.
How are you feeling?
Even if a donor is found, the match is never perfect. Zahn says with cloning, scientists could, in theory, grow cells customized to an individual patient.
You used embryonic stem cell technology. You might be able to generate embryonic stem cells that have the same immune system as the patient. You'd have less chance of rejection, and we would hope that there'd be less death rate associated with that.
With cloning, this little boy, in theory, could get bone marrow cells that perfectly match his body. But there's much more to cloning than custom-made transplants. The thing that has scientists all over the world really excited is that cloning could allow them to do something completely new and different: make sick cells. Now, why would they want to do that? Well, let's say you could take a cell from a patient, someone like Lauren, create a clone, let it grow in the lab until it's a blastocyst, make stem cells. Then you could watch the cells as they get sick. That's exactly what Doug Melton wants to do.
If we follow those cells in a culture dish, we can get at the root cause of the disease.
If you could learn how Lauren's diabetes got started, you'd have a much better chance of curing it. This might work with lots of diseases that right now develop invisibly inside patients. Not just diabetes patients, but Parkinson's patients, Alzheimer's patients. That's why, instead of just studying healthy stem cells, scientists like Harvard's Kevin Eggen want to use cloning to create stem cells that are genetically predisposed to a disease.